400. This was the farthest place the Prophet ﷺ traveled to on an expedition.
Jerusalem.
Okay?
Yes.
That is not the correct answer. We'll go to Brother Muhammad from Muhajirun. This was the farthest place the Prophet ﷺ traveled on an expedition, meaning in a battle, for a Islamic battle. Okay, you want to take a guess?
No, I prefer to pass.
Okay,
Yes.
no problem.
Yes.
I think
Brother
it
Abdul
is,
Latif.
I think it is Khaybar.
Khaybar? No, unfortunately that is not Khaybar, but all of you had a good guess. It is what is Tabuk. Tabuk was the farthest place the Prophet ﷺ traveled. Ahmed Abdul Qadir.
500 in Islamic timeline.
Islamic